It's morning time. I got all things patched up in here temporarily for now. So I'm gonna drive it to a Tesla or a charge station just to see what happens. Get the experience of it. And it's all like, still haven't fixed all the sides up yet. Probably drive like this like that together for now. Just to see. I got my dealer tag, so it doesn't matter. I could drive it like that. So headed down to a charger. Still have this port open. I can do that. Plug it both over. So I'm gonna go. Got the kids in the back because they don't want to stay home. I don't know why.
You know there's a car seat in the back.
What? I know there's a car seat. Okay, and the seatbelt doesn't work fully, so what I'm gonna do is pretend like it works. So we'll put that in. This is our first time. Ready, Ramos? You ready? So we don't know what's gonna happen. So either we're gonna get pulled over by a cop, either gonna get towed, or something. But what do we do? Yeah, save it. So all the lights are on. It says the air, the compressor. Okay. Let's go back here. There, we're gonna say navigate us. Alright, so it's gonna go. And we'll see what happens once we get there. Tesla charging station. I hooked it up and it says nothing's happening. Oh, it unlocked it or locked it. But I guess I gotta open an account, which I haven't. Got all the models, everything going on here. Oh, it says charging complete, so I guess it's working or something. High usage, supercharging charging limit is set up to 20 service. So let's increase the set limit. Then we go up. See if that helps before it catches on fire, maybe. So he's already set the limit.
The guy's looking at us.
Yeah, he's like wondering why is this car here, the wrecked one. We would only wreck Tesla in this Tesla charging station.
The guy's still looking at us.
I know, he's wondering what the hell's up. So you're gonna be like, it's doing something, I don't know.
Oh my god.
So it is working, look, it's charging. So it's supercharging right now, and it's set up current session, no recent set limit, which I did. High supercharging station. So it says 10 minute and 22 minute. Now let's see if that thing is green. So it's gotta be green, I think. If it's green blinking, then it's supercharging. Oh, it is. Yeah, there you go. So that makes sense. Now we just wait. Is your door open almost? No. It is, because look, Tesla doesn't lie. Close your door. There you go. See? Don't lie to me, guys. I know everything.
Can you go to Target?
Why? I'll drop you off at the thing, Baba. Let me just see what's going on. So now it says 5 minutes. So something's going on. Current session. So I guess it works. So I could just bring it here without any account or anything. So
yes, it's working. Wow.
Yeah, it was 223. Now it's 224. See? Car needs service. So I like that. Supercharging works, which is good. They haven't blocked it. I'm happy with that. All in all, yeah, it works perfectly. I got no issue. I didn't have to put any name or no account. I just came in here and plugged it in, and it's charging. Yeah, I didn't think it would have. So happy with that. That means that now it's 225. Wow. Me so happy. Anyway, I'll gotta drive back and I'll put some more videos.